Hi there, welcome to another educational video document in my Web3 expedition. In this video, I want to feature a project called Fraction AI. This is first glance look at the project. It's also introductory in nature. I consider it relevant to cover this project because of the productivity. It's basically is allowing you create agents, but let's start from the basics. It has created agents that can perform different activities, so you have templates of agents that you can, you know, replicate, using the create agent function. Now, again, remember that I don't pre-research this projects. When I cover them, I try to unveil them and learn about them in the course of the video. So, uh, superficially, upon signing up here, this is what I met with. This first agent is called Bead Tac Toe. It says running bidding agents in a new take on tic-tac-toe, where each move costs and smart spending wins. Use logic, timing, and strategy to outplay others. A fun way for agents to learn game theory and make better decisions. Simple rules, deep play. So basically, this is going to when you initiate this, it's going to be able to play a game for you and evolve in its learning with respect to the game. Now, I'm not so into games, so let's look for at another one. It says two AI agents go head to head in a game of football. Every pass, every shot, and every move is a calculated decision. It's a fast, fun way for agents to learn teamwork, positioning, and smart strategy. Easy to play, hard to master. Interesting. Here it says build and run trading agents with your own strategic logic. No code, no barriers, just you and the market. Deploy agents to trade Bitcoin, compete for top performance, and earn real rewards. This is your space to innovate, trade smarter, and turn strategies into success. Now, this is V2 of this one with some 983 active users. And total rewards is this 232,000. Now, this is as interesting as can be. Although in this video, we're not looking at the technicalities of these and all that. If you're to make sure to do your due diligence at this stage. If you're to deposit, only, use funds that uh, a small amount basically to get started with. By the way, I'm going to deposit and I'm going to test it out in a different video. But what interests me here is that it looks like you can use this as the base for your own agent. So let's say I click on create agent. We're brought here. So you can build your own agent around this uh, such that it begins to manage your portfolio and stuff like that. So let's let's say I generate with AI here and I choose strategy. So deep trader, range trader, breakout hunter. Um, so this, the models for this strategy are already there. I don't know, considering the state of Bitcoin at the moment, let's just put deep trader. Wow. And these are the technical, no, these are not the technicalities. These are limits that you can set up preset. So strategy. So in this strategy, it's going long, capital 30%, deep duration 60 minutes. You can set all this. And then you can also put up set profit and take loss parameters. This is an exciting project. So let's just do heavy dip down for 0.45% over 60 minutes. Let's do mid dip for this one. So go long when price goes down 0.3% over the last 60 minutes. Wow. Wow. Okay. So this, I said deep trader. Okay, it's already there. Deep severity, mid, save strategy, create agent. Okay. So now it says join space. Select agent. Wow. So you can even practice. Select fee tier, practice for free. You can put up zero point 0.1, meaning you will need to deposit. You can put up zero point 0.5. It doesn't look like you can put up a custom amount at the moment. Okay, so let's do practice for free. It says 3 sessions left. Now imagine this is functional and you need it's gated with a token. The token will turn out Vide for token. Now I don't even know if this has a token just yet, but I'm fascinated by the project. They are just you cannot. Uh, I can think of only one project that may be uh, as sophisticated as this, although you know. Technicality wise, I've not tested it and all that. So now I don't know what this means. It says wait a little while we find your opponents. So because the name of the campaign has to do with build and run agents, no logic, no barrier, deploy agents to trade Bitcoin, compete for top performance. Mm, let's come back here. So we may just need to wait here a bit. Now, mind you, this is an introductory video, so I may not wait. I will just have an overview of the different aspects of the project. So this is dashboard. Okay, so this is my strategy here. You can enable automation, which I will do later on with real funds. Now, by the way, I'll do a tutorial about that. Okay. Um Sessions. So you can likely join existing sessions. So I've put up my own, like my own template and nobody has joined. So it's basically waiting. So I may decide to join an existing session that says starting soon. So there's also a social element to this and there is a prize pool. So basically agents compete and then, wow. Let me just be silent for now. Again, this is an introductory video. Um, so this is live. Let's see what's going on. Okay, that's a tic-tac-toe. Climb the tiers, earn more. Higher tier means bigger fractal rewards. Okay, so let's not dwell on this. Like we all see the nuances of the project. There is intent. A lot of work has been put into this. Let's go to fractals. So here it says, this is my rank, 0 fractals earned. My rank is 91,000. So you can gauge how many participants. This is like the point system. Now, I don't also know how long this has been running, but I've not earned fractals yet. Now, fractals I would earn maybe when I put up a deposit and start joining campaigns or competitions or setting up my campaign and all that. You can also invite others. So if you can use my invite code. I'll be putting it in the description. Now for FAPS, this is interesting. I just connected my X account and you'll see here it's less competition here considering I'm ranked 4,501 on the basis of FAPS. So FAPS is earned from talking about the project on X. Okay, so typical similar to I don't know what data they use, if they use like Kaito data or they have their own. I'm not very sure yet. I'll be finding out about that going forward. But once you connect your X account here, you can earn FAPS by talking about fraction, AI, commenting, retweeting, or code posting. Okay. Posts that mention fraction AI. The leaderboard, let's see this. So this leaderboard is based on ROI for the most part. So and the difference, so many people they seem to be interested in TikTok too. Interesting stuff. Bringing us to the end of this video. Again, this is introductory. I don't understand it fully yet, but I will in my next video where I would have put up a deposit to understand how it works better. For now, let's leave it at that. In the description, there will be a bunch of other airdrop opportunities there. Check them out. This one, I believe it has an airdrop prospect, but I'm covering it mostly for its productivity. Now, speaking of airdrop, I don't know. Let's see if there is any mention of that. But based on point system and all that, it's likely to have an airdrop. You'll see here the day has finally arrived. Fraction AI public mainnet is now on base. So this was May 19th. So not very long ago. So I would assume that it's tokenless for now till I do my next video. I'd also assume that it's I would assume it's tokenless for now. And I would assume that this video can get you started with respect to the airdrop, even though it's introductory. Again, there will be a lot of airdrop opportunities in the description. Check them out. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Submit your email here because soon I'll be sending an email containing emails over the course of time featuring 100 airdrops. Each airdrop prospect will have its own publication tutorial. So I'll definitely do one for fractional AI, which I'll send via email. So submit your email here. Exhaust the description. There are a lot of AI projects in the description with airdrop prospects. You can check. They will be enlisted in the description. Check them out. Stay awesome. Take action. That's about it for this video.